Whenever I get back from a holiday or a trip or just something that I've been looking forward to is over, there's a bit of a kind of decline, a little bit of a lack of motivation. So I'd like to use today to kind of spin that around, sort out a few bits at home that have been bothering me, and just be ready for a great week. I really like to start my day with movement, and this was a yoga by Adrienne video, which is just available on YouTube. I'll link it below. Yoga for runners. I really needed to stretch out this morning. It was great. It was difficult, but it was great. Hydration, of course, I have joined Starbucks straw cup. I got one for like £3. I could not resist. My second step for a good reset day is to, of course, be washed, but essentially get dressed. Not just throw on the tracksuit or the loungewear that I've worked in all week, but to actually get dressed. I am in a bit of an uphill battle with my skin at the moment, so I took some time to also do full skincare and, of course, moisturize and use SPF. Now I'm looking and feeling good, but these guys have seen better days. My plant app has been screaming at me for about 4 days to water them now, but I have resisted on purpose because I think to solve some of their problems, some repotting may be required, and if so, I think it's easier to do so while they're dry. I have no idea what's going on with my yucca plant. I don't understand why all the leaves from underneath are dying, and the kind of smaller one has been like wobbly for like months and months and months now. I think it's time I got some professional help. Hopefully we have everything we need to remedy our plants. Everyone in the garden centre was kind of busy, so we're just kind of like freestyled it. I'm stopping at B&Q now because another one of the annoying things that I haven't done is that there's like a little patch on my wall that needs repainting, and I don't have the right colour or the right paintbrush. So I'm going to grab that from B&Q, get home, make some lunch, and then we'll get cracking on saving the plants, repainting the wall, and everything else for this reset. Big one? That's tiny, no, that's too small. Reset shop whereby I just needed like some household things and like rice, noodles, etc. And then I also just did some like food shopping for now and the next couple of days. And for some reason I was drawn to kale, and I think I'm gonna make some kind of like kale halloumi pasta salad situation. I don't know, I picked up some halloumi too. Let's just see where this goes, but I'm very hungry. So this wall next to my dishwasher, you can kind of see like it has loads of like marks on it and stains on it from like loading the dishwasher, things getting like splashed and sprayed on there, and just generally being like dirty, like leaning here, doing the light, whatever. And then this patch is from when I thought this wall was grey. So this wall is grey, and obviously my counters are grey. So I thought this wall was grey, and I have grey. So I went to patch it and I was like, hang on a second, this wall is white. So that's why I didn't have any white paint. I do, however, feel like I have to do the entire wall. So I think maybe I might just go up to here and see what the vibe is. Peeling the tape off immediately is what you're supposed to do, or else the paint kind of dries the tape to the wall. So done. You can't really tell on camera, or maybe you can, let me know, but this is so much brighter white. I painted basically kind of like up to here where I could see that the paint was actually just white again. Like it seems to be good and white up here, but obviously it was kind of stained down here. And also I have a calendar that hangs here anyway, so it will kind of cover the gradient I have created. what I ended up picking up earlier, sorry it's a bit echoey in here, in the plant studio of my second bathroom, was 2 bags of house pot repotting soil. A bigger pot, just slightly bigger pot for the yucca, and also some houseplant food. Oh, and also some sticks, because my umbrella plant is starting to lean, and I realize it's because her stick is like, she outgrew that ages ago. Okay, so she has her new soil and her new stick. You can just about see it in there. Immediately looks straighter and happier. As for my yucca, there's a lot going on, so we're gonna have to get rid of these dead boys. This has always been like a little bit wobbly. I wonder if it's just not got enough space. So we will be upgrading it into a bigger pot, and I just hope I have enough soil. So it seems that like this extra one has literally been hanging on by like 1 root. Like it has 1 root. How has it been surviving with 1 root? See, this soil actually feels okay. I say okay, I know nothing about plants or soil. Was due to change about 2 weeks ago, and I haven't had any filters, so I'm finally getting around to changing this and having filtered water back in my life. Another thing I haven't had in my life for like way too long, just because it ran out, is chili oil, the Chinese one, and I managed to get some today. So I have literally just put some of the prawns I bought earlier out to defrost, and I'm gonna make some kind of like noodle stir fry for dinner. It is so nice cooking dinner at 7 o'clock and it still being like a fully daylight. I can still hear birds chirping, I can still see everything perfectly clear and bright. It's so nice. It's so British, but I know we're going to be talking about this daylight for at least like, at least another month. Every time you see someone you haven't seen since winter, you're going to be like, oh my God, it's so nice to still be out in the day. The last thing to do is change my bed sheets and go to bed. Hello British summertime, goodbye winter, goodbye darkness, goodbye seasonal depression. This summer is mine. That sounds like a Drake thing. The summer is mine? No, the city is mine. Okay, well Drake, the summer is mine.